Hello friends, this is Dr. Sumiti Ahuja and I am Assistant Professor at Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. So next we will be moving on to the definition of minor, because as we said, minor, person of unsound mind and disqualified under law. So we will be discussing these three things one by one, and then we will proceed to the effect of minors agreement as well as the nature of minors agreement. So who is a minor? To start with, you can see I have highlighted that the term minor has not been defined under the Indian Contract Act. It is true. Now, in fact, the Act says in section 11, it says a person who has attained the age of majority is competent to enter into a contract. So, obviously, it means that in contrast to it, we are trying to say that a minor is not capable to enter into a contract, or minor is legally incompetent, if I may say. But who is a minor is not expressly mentioned, defined, explained in the Act. But as you can see on your screens, the governing law is the Indian Majority Act of 1875. Now, you have to keep this thing in your mind that you will come across many legislations wherein the term majority, the term minor will be used, but there are two situations which you have to understand. First is that statute, that legislation itself may mention the age. Say for example, Hindu Marriage Act. Hindu Marriage Act clearly mentions that if two Hindus who are to get married, what is the respective age. So that age is mentioned there, right? But consider a situation like the Indian Contract Act, wherein only this thing is written that person should have attained the age of majority. But what is that age of majority? For that, reference will be made to Indian Majority Act of 1875. Now, in general, we all know that whenever we say person should be a major, should not be a minor. Generally, we know that it's 18 years of age what we are referring to. But let's see what section 3 of the Indian Majority Act highlights. It says the age of majority is considered to be 18 years. There is only one exception: when court has appointed a guardian for minor's person or property, and in such cases the age of majority is 21 years, right. So, in general the age of majority is 18 years as per section 3 of Indian Majority Act, but in this one case, in this one exception, it will be 21 years. That exception is when the court has appointed a guardian for a minor. Now, guardian is, what is the purpose for appointing a guardian? Guardian is appointed to look after another person or his property, or both. He or she, that is the guardian, assumes the care and protection of person for whom he or she is appointed as the guardian. Now, which is the law which governs this aspect? Because Indian Contract Act is not telling you as to who is a guardian and how is a guardian appointed, why is a guardian appointed, but the correct law or the relevant law which tells about the appointment of guardian by the court and who is a guardian, what purpose does the guardian serve, the relevant law is, as you can see on your screens, Guardian and Wards Act of 1890.